going to draw this machine element. If you see this machine element, first we have to understand how we will start to draw this machine element. First, what is the easiest way? First, let's understand. If we will start with the top projection of this machine element, it's easy for us to make. First of all, we will make 58 mm of this one. Then we will make a depth which is of 12, 14 plus of 14, that is 40 mm. After making this, we can make this part in 58, 40. Then we will make this part of projection, that is the 14 into of 58 minus of 12, 18 minus of 12, that is 16. So 16 mm of this. Like this, first we will make this one, and you should try to understand that these images, okay, these slots are at distance of 12 mm from here, 12 mm from here, 18 mm the center of this radius to the center of this. So that is at 18 mm, and this is at 60 degree Celsius, 60 degree. The plane is inclined, and if you will see, it will be 90 degree. If you will draw here a perpendicular to this one, will be make the 30 degree with this plane. So I think we should start with all of these information. So we have reached here to the ANSYS SpaceClim, which is a designing software, and now we are going to draw the same machine element here. So as I told you, we should start with the ZX plane. We can choose any plane, but we are selecting it just like define the rectangle from the center, click it here, use the this one should be the 40, tab 58, press enter. Then we know here it will be of how much. Here we can just use the rectangle. From the rectangle we know this distance is already 40. Then we can press the tab. We must know that this distance is how much. This was the 16. In 16, now we have know that we have to move shift key, which will help you to move how much distance we are moving, and this distance we need the 14 mm. 14, then press the enter. It will show this 14 mm. Then we can draw a line there of 16 mm. Then again from here we have to draw the 12 mm that we already know. The 12 mm, when we are drawing the 12 mm, whenever we will cross the center line, it will be stopped it. So either you can use the shift and move away from there, or you can start it from here. Shift and you can move it here to minus 14. Do you know why it is showing the minus sign here? Actually you are going in opposite direction to the Z. That's why it was showing the. Now we can use the constructions line here. That constructions line we know that it is a 12 mm from here, 12 mm from here, and then from 12 it is 18 mm. Here. Then how much the distance from this to that where the center is the 10 mm. Okay, then again and we know from here the distance to the is 18. Then it is again changing and we don't know the distance from there. Then what we have to do? Have to then do nothing, don't worry. Then we have to move away from there. Okay, away from that line. Okay, this line is 10.43. Okay, is there any alternative? Okay, then we can go from here also. How much distance we have to move? Yeah, that is the 10 mm. Okay, can I measure the distance from here to here? Okay, it is actually not a perfect, actually it should be the 20 mm, but somewhere then I have made a mistake. Please rectify your mistake when you will draw it. Okay, now we can go in the circle. We have took the circle. There is option for the half circle also, 3-point circle. In the 3-point circle I will take, that will be easy. Okay, 3-point circle, and the other circle is arc of the circle. Sorry, this arc of the circle is here. We have to go for the center, then from the center then we can go how much the distance we have to go. That is this distance is 6.6. See, it has started 6.6 and it has drawn it here. So that's the easy thing. We can draw it by just clicking the center, then we can click the point of origination, then the point of end. Okay, then we can go take the solid lines. This will be the tangential lines. Press the escape to remove from the continuation. We don't need the constructions line, so we will delete it once. Okay, then we just press the 3D mode, pressed it the 3D mode, then we can delete this, control this. We are saying that delete this one, this part has got delete, control, then press the enter, then it will be take you to the pull tool. Click here the pull tool, then press the enter. Then you have to, how much you have to move? We have to move 25 mm. How much this we have to move? This we have to move 15 mm. Okay, this part is over. Much we have to move this one? Press enter, then press space bar, then put the values, then press the enter, 8 mm. Okay, this part is ready, and I think no one has faced a problem. But still the constructions lines are there. If you want to draw that constructions line, delete that, just delete it from here. Okay, now we know that there is a one plane which has 45 degree there. So first we have to select the plane here. We have select the plane, select the face, then select the plane here, then I press Ctrl Z so that you can understand it. First you have to select any face where you want and select the plane will come. But we know that this plane is not here. We have to move this plane. We have to move this plane of how much? First move from about which axis? About this axis the plane has there. So first move this axis up to the center of the axis, up to this axis. That has moved. Now we can rotate the plane about this axis. How much we have to rotate this plane from here? Know that we have to rotate 30 degree with this. Okay, when it is showing with respect to this axis, so can you tell me how much it should be with respect to this axis? That is a 30 degree. It has moved a 30 degree. That's our plane is ready. Now we go in the sketch mode. Which is sketch mode? I have choose this plane. Then I am saying okay, plane normal. Okay, I don't want in this face, I want this plane like here, so I'm just clicking the Y. Okay, now taking the rectangle, from rectangle I'm going up to 40 tab 30, 40 tab 30. Then we are going to delete this point. and we are going to use the constructions line here. Use the construction line here, then I am going to use the circle. The center is coming here, then I am going to use the 40 mm, which is already written there. Then again the circle, how much that is, I think, how much they have told, 25. I told, okay, I made it 25. And what should I do? What should I do for the slots? Okay, I will tell you how to make the slots later on. Okay, then I am going to the 3D mode. The 3D mode that has ready. Okay, that I have done one mistake here. Oops, I am putting the Control Z here, and we have put the Control Z here. I am just deleting this extra edge here. That actually I don't require. Okay, and I delete that extra edge. Then I am going in the 3D mode. Then you can see I am just want to delete this part. Then I want to extrude this part up to where? Up to this edge. Okay, see, this part is ready, just only the slot is not there. How we can put the slot there? Okay, I don't need this plane, but I need a plane somewhere else. Design plane here. Okay, you see, the plane is here available at the center. Now what I want, move this plane here, select this plane. Now select this angle, press the enter. I'm saying the rotate it 45 degree. Okay, rotate it at 45 degree. Oh shit, man, it has rotated the 45 degree in the wrong direction. So what I'm Control Z, I'm saying minus 45 degree. Oh, it has made my work, man. Okay, it has made my work. What I have to do now, I have to go and split the body. This split the body from it with respect to this one. This has split one here, split another one. If I will click any one, it will be deleted. I don't want to delete it, so I select the select. Now I'm just removing this part. I'm putting selecting, I'm saying the copy, and then I'm putting Control V. It has, the surface has came with the same surface. Then this solid, I am again clicking it here, the solid has came back. Now I will go and I will join this surface. How I will go and join this surface? Combine, press the Control, press this body with the Control, this body get the one solid. Okay, but you can see the surface is there. I'm clicking the surface, I am saying the pull option, and I'm just saying the pull. I'm saying a cut also. I'm saying the cut also. I'm pressing it here, and I'm saying the 5 mm of cut. Okay, you can see the 5 mm of cut is ready, and I don't need this plane. Okay, I think I have made the body very soon. Okay, do you want to see its top? Front view, top view. Okay, the same thing actually you want to see. In the top view you will see this face, you will see this face. All of these things are available there. Okay, just we are going in the new and going the new drawing sheet. In the drawing sheet you can see these views are available there. Okay, and you can enjoy these things now. How? Okay, now I am telling you how to draw these views, how to draw these things. If you are doing the engineering drawing, then how we can draw this circle actually. Okay, for that just I am taking the snipping tool, and here you can see I took the scale, I am just rotating it 90 degree. Okay, you can just go at the center. When you will reach the center, you can just mark it. Okay, when you are marking the center, be aware. Why? Because there are the two circle are there. The one circle which is at the top, another circle which is at the bottom. So be aware which circle you are talking about. Okay, when you are now from here, already you know the center from here, and you know the radius here and here, both things you know. Okay, because this is a true region that already you know, because it is this angle you know, that is 60 degree. You know that this is the 60 degree. Okay, so you know the radius, so you know this. Actually you know the radius like this actually instead of this one. So when you will make the top circle, you should use that edges. Okay, now when you will go for the bottom circle, you know that it will be here somewhere. Similarly, if your edge will start here, then your bottom circle will be here. Okay, so like this you have to draw your top view also. Okay, I think video is finished.